Hello, boys and girls. Gonna do the phonics sounds, all of the sounds today, because we're nearly at the end of the phase 3 phonics. Amazing. I want you to say the sound first and then listen carefully and see if you said the same sound as I have. If you haven't, then just change the sound, okay? Because this takes practice. It is going to be a long one because we're going to do all of the sounds. But we need to do it every so often. We need to do all the sounds so we get them all right, okay? What's this one? Umbrella. What's this one? Thing, sing, This is like rubber, walker, calmer, taller, Ooh. Or what's the other one? Like book, or moon. Ooh. So or ooh. You first, sorry. Yeah. The. Like burn or turn. Oi. Oi. G, g, g. T, t, t. Where's my mouse? Oh, like moan or groan or throat. Oh. Oh. Shh. You know this one. Not puff. Puff out the back. Teeth. Church. Chicken. Not duh. Queen, quiz, quickly, qu. Air, like hair, fair, pear. Ow! Now, Emma sent in a video saying, I'm confused because this one is pronounced two ways. You've got ow, like ow, and you've got o, like bow. So blow in the snow, and bow, like a cow. It's got two different sounds, this one. Ah. Z, eh. Or, fork, mork. Trigraph. I. Not buh. Car, farm. A, like rain, pain, train, a. J. Ear, hear, tear, fear. W. Z. This is a longer one. Buzz, fuzz. It's the digraph, it's the end of the words. N. S. Hiss, miss, kiss. X. Fox, box. Eh. Well done. That's it, boys and girls.